Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Artemis knot. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is my left side. I'm going to put my dimple in there. I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to fold this in half, bring it over to the cross like so, and then we're going to bring it up and down. And then we're going to come once, fold it in half, and then we're going to come twice, fold it in half. We'll kind of stack those together. And then I'm going to leave this, fold it in half, and bring it up like this. And then I'm going to find my back end here. We're going to leave it folded. I'm going to come underneath it. I'm going to come up and over like so. We're going to leave it folded in half. Then we're going to do once and twice. Then I'm going to unfold it. And I'm going to come around. And I'm going to come through here, unfolded. And we're going to end it by putting it in like this. And there you have the Artemis knot. So again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Love to hear from you there. On your own time, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.